Good morning, class. Today, 23rd of November 2020. So, today we are going to start our new concept in grammar portion, that is conjunctions. You might be familiar with this word and might have read in class 7, 6, and also in 5th classes. Okay, so you might have heard this word. So before we go to this conjunction process or concept, let us know something about it first, right? So conjunction, the word conjunction is a familiar word, no doubt. When we want to join two sentences or words or phrases or clause, that medium or interact portion is called as conjunction, right? We usually in our day-to-day life, we usually speak about this is a man, he reads this book, he enjoys to play, he do that, like that. We are saying about some of the other details of anything, any place, any person. Okay. Instead of telling, for example, let us take an example. Ram is a good boy. Ram is an intelligent one. Ram likes to play football. Ram spent many hours in studying. So many times I used to say Ram, Ram, Ram. So we have read that instead of using Ram, Ram, we used the pronoun he. Isn't it? हमने क्या यूज किया उसके लिए? Pronoun. ठीक है ना? हम बार बार राम का नाम नहीं बोल के हमने pronoun word यूज किया. This is a part of speech. Pronoun is a part of speech. आपके जितने पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है उसमें एक प्रोनाउन भी है और नाम वाला वर्ड जो यूज किया हमने दैट इज अ नाउन. दैट इज नाउन. दिस इज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच, isn't it? एक पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच नाउन, देन द सेकंड वन इज प्रोनाउन. ठीक है ना? I told you that Ram is an intelligent boy. The word intelligent is an adjective. Is an adjective and this is also a part of speech. Adjective क्या है? Noun, pronoun, adjective ये part of speech है. Ram walks fast. Fast. The word fast is an adverb. I will teach you this concept after conjunction. Right? मैं ये वाला concept adverb का conjunction के बाद पढ़ूंगी. Parts of speech का ये वाला part adverb के बाद पढ़ूंगी. Sorry, conjunction के बाद पढ़ेंगे. So, pronoun, noun, adjective, adverb, right? Then we can say that Ram is a good. Ram looks like, है ना? The word looks here is a verb. क्या है ये? Verb. Without a verb, sentence is not completed. Verb के बिना तो sentence complete ही नहीं होगा, isn't it? So verb is also a part of speech. Understood? That Ram plays very good. Okay. We always admire him. We always appreciate him. Teachers always praised him, appreciated him, and telling him, wow, Ram is a very brilliant one. Wow, the word. This is called interjection. Interjections. This is also a part of speech. And when we join two sentences or words or phrase or clause with a single word or a double one, that we call it as conjunction. Conjunction. This is also a part of speech. Right? This is also a part of speech. So conjunction, as we are going to study about conjunction. तो हमने वो देखा part of speech, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, interjections, conjunctions. ठीक है ना? और भी होंगे शायद part of speech. पूछेंगे आपको after the class. So these are I'm telling you this is a part of speech and conjunction is also a part of speech. Okay. So now we are going to study about conjunction, right? So student, this is a very important concept of conjunction is as we have seen that conjunction is a joining word which can join words, sentences, clauses or phrases. Okay, it is a joining word. Join करता है दो शब्दों को, sentences को, clauses को, phrases को, जो भी चीजें उसको join करते हैं interact media, उसे कहते हैं conjunctions, right? So conjunctions is a mainly in your book it is of two types, right? Conjunction is of two types. In your book it is there two types, but we will read about more than that. ठीक है ना, हम उससे आगे पढ़ेंगे, सिर्फ ये दो तरीके नहीं होते, इससे ज्यादा होता है. In your book it is there that coordinating, this is the very important concept, coordinating conjunction, right? Coordinating conjunction, isn't it? So apart from coordinating, one more is there that is subordinating. Subordinating. Then next one is correlated. Correlated conjunction. And the fourth one is conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs. We will read one by one, right? We will read one by one. So conjunction are of, we can mainly consider as four parts: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlated conjunction, and conjunctive adverbs. चार तरह के आपकी बुक में सिर्फ दो है, coordinating and subordinating. This is important. Out of four, these two are very important. Okay, we will read these two mainly, no doubt, but we can also read these two apart from these two. You should have some idea about all the four types, isn't it? So let us give a short one that in this mind map I can present you that in this coordinating conjunction, which are the words which reflect the coordinating conjunction. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन में हम कौन-कौन से ऐसे कंजंक्शन वाले वर्ड्स लेंगे जिसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं. इन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन you can use but, I will show you through this, but, right, then, or, and, right, either, or, either not, many are there. Many are there. You can frame it many more. But, both, or, either or, neither or, not only, but also. Isn't it? And subordinated conjunction, we can say that this is in subordinated conjunction. It represents more and more dependent clause. Like it reflects time. ये टाइम को इंडिकेट्स करता है. टाइम के अंदर जो भी कंजंक्शन आएंगे जैसे when, while, after, before, like that. फिर इसके अंदर सेकेंड ऑप्शन चॉइसेस आएगा कॉज एंड रीजन, किसी का कारण बताना, उसमें हम बिकॉज का यूज कर सकते हैं कंजंक्शन, एज, सिंस, फॉर, लाइक दिस. देन किसी चीज का रिजल्ट या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आउटपुट निकालना, तो हम वहां पे कंजंक्शन यूज करेंगे सो दैट. अगर आपके सेंटेंस में कोई कंडीशन टाइप कंजंक्शन है, देन यू विल यूज देयर if, unless, provided that, like that. Okay, so here we can say the summary question of many types. We can use in the time of time में के अंदर जो कंडीशन आ रही है जैसे मैंने बताया when, while, before, after. फिर cause and reason से related conjunction इसके अंदर आते हैं. Cause and reason, conjunction is related to the cause and reason, right? Then किसी भी result और consequences और output, right? जो भी चीज को indicate करता है वो इस conjunction में आएगा. Then any condition किसी भी तरह का condition means if the weather is fine, then we'll go out to play, isn't it? हमने यहाँ condition use किया if लगा के. Unless लगा करके भी होता है, we can use unless also, right? ये हम unless का use करते हैं. So here we can say that conjunction is not as such an easy topic. Earlier we think that use of conjunction in different words like and, but, because, or, though, although, since, many more conjunction words are there. But we don't know where to use which conjunctions. हमें ये नहीं पता कि कौन सा conjunction कहाँ पे ऐड करें. So by learning the different types of conjunction, now we can able to put the correct conjunction in the proper sentences. अब हम जब अपनी इस 8th स्टैंडर्ड में conjunctions के 4 मैंने बताया 2 मेन है बेसिकली, हम इसी 2 मेन को लेकर भी चलेंगे और apart from this I will give you some of the ideas related to both this concept, right? So the main conjunction, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction is very much important. You should have to know where to use the correct conjunction words. Simply लिख देने से नहीं चलेगा. If it is given, you can write it. No, it's not problem. But you have to use where you have to put the conjunction in the proper place. कभी-कभी conjunction दो सेंटेंस को मैंने कहा दो सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करके बनता है. It is right. But it doesn't mean कि हम उसको सेंटर पार्ट में लें. कभी-कभी बिगिनिंग सेंटेंस में भी हम यूज करते हैं. जैसे हमने कंडीशन वाला मैंने एग्जांपल बताया आपको. इफ पहले वर्ड आ गया इफ द वेदर इज फाइन आई विल गो आउट. फर्स्ट कंडीशन यूज कर लिया. राम इज ए गुड बॉय, श्याम इज ए गुड बॉय. राम एंड श्याम इज ए गुड बॉय. लाइक दिस मैनर. It doesn't mean Ram is a good boy and Shyam is a good boy. ऐसे नहीं लिखना. Completely wrong sentence. So, by using the conjunction in a proper order, we should have to be very much particular about it. How to use the conjunction. In today's modules, we have learned that conjunction is a joining words which join two words, two sentences, two phrases, two clauses. Then we proceed different types of conjunction in which ordinating conjunction is there, subordinating conjunction is there, correlated and conjunctive adverb is there. I will send you the mind map and PPT also. You just have a look on it. It is a short and small PPT is there. You can easily understand. But these two, as it is there in your book, these two concept is very much important. We will study one by one all the conjunction there in this types of conjunction, and we can clear our concept very well so that we can know how to use the conjunction. तो हमें मालूम पड़ेगा. So through this mind map, I can present you that how we can use different conjunction. थोड़े से mind map में आपको सिर्फ ये बताया गया है कंजक्शन कितने टाइप्स के हैं, कंजक्शन क्या है और हमें कैसे कैसे इसको यूज करें. So I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you.